Are you looking to learn digital marketing? The world of digital marketing is ever evolving. It is crucial to stay up to date with the latest trends. One key step in learning digital marketing is to understand SEO. Search engine optimization is vital for online visibility. Content marketing is another essential aspect to master. Creating valuable and engaging content is key. Understanding social media marketing is also crucial. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram are popular for marketing. Email marketing is an effective way to reach your audience. Google Analytics is a powerful tool to track your marketing efforts. Learning how to analyze data can help optimize your strategies. Enrolling in online courses can provide structured learning. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer digital marketing courses. Attending workshops and webinars can provide hands-on experience. Networking with industry professionals can offer valuable insights. Reading books and blogs on digital marketing can enhance knowledge. Experimenting with different strategies can help gain practical experience. Interning at a digital marketing agency can provide real-world experience. Collaborating on digital marketing projects can improve skills. Setting goals and tracking progress is important for growth. Understanding the target audience is key in digital marketing. Focusing on creating a strong brand identity is crucial. Building a professional website is essential for online presence. Utilizing tools like Google Ads can help reach a larger audience. Engaging in online communities can provide support and advice. Learning from successful digital marketers can offer inspiration. Analyzing competitors' strategies can provide insights for improvement. Staying updated with industry news and developments is important. Digital marketing requires continuous learning and adaptation. Remember, consistency is key in digital marketing. Experimenting with different strategies can lead to success. Developing a strong brand voice can set you apart from competitors. Engaging with followers on social media can build relationships. Measuring ROI is crucial in evaluating the success of your campaigns. Adapting to changes in algorithms and trends is essential. Seeking feedback from customers can help improve your strategies. Using storytelling in your content can captivate your audience. Patience and persistence are important qualities in digital marketing. Incorporating feedback and data analysis can lead to improvement. Remember, digital marketing is a dynamic field with endless opportunities.